So, namaskar everyone. Today we'll get started with two very important tags which will help to display text in any kind of web page. So, those two tags are heading tag and paragraph tag. And these two are very basic, simple, and you use it frequently in almost any web page which you write from today. So, without doing delay, so let us move forward to our coding part. So first, let us create a file called as uh, heading and paragraph.html. So we'll keep it simple according to topics. And let me zoom it a little bit. So let us write down the basic structure of HTML first. So if you don't know the basic structure of HTML, then you can see our previous video. There we have discussed about the basic structure, and let me write down the title as heading and paragraph. While we also have got one body, and everything that is visible in web page are written inside the body. So first let us talk about the heading then. So if you talk about heading then, heading are like title or subtitle in your web page. Means whenever you are writing some notes or whenever you are writing some uh, your assignments or any kind of things, then you used to give title over there, you used to give subtitle over there, like you used to give heading over there. Like if you want to write an essay, then you can give the title of the essay. So same like that, heading is also a title of some text over here, of some paragraph over here, or content. So heading are basically of six type over here. Now first one is heading one. So heading one. Then next we have got heading 2. So this heading will extend up to sixth level. So let me skip this and write down all the heading. These are the six types of heading that we use in our website frequently. And this heading will help to organize our web page into different kind of section. Like first heading will be the only one heading in our web page, while there can be several multiple heading too in our web page. Now, in this heading up to S6, then H1 is the largest one and S6 is the smallest heading that is used over here. Now we don't have got heading 7 or more than that, we just have up to heading 6 only. While heading 6 is used for very tiny sort of heading only. Now if we look, now if you open this in a browser, then this heading will look different from each other. Like you can see over here, heading 1 is the largest one, while heading 6 is the tiny and the smallest heading found in our HTML. So this heading will help to make the content readable. That's why it's very important to choose the heading in our web page. Now, whenever you're writing a web page, be careful that our web page only have got one heading, while in majority of the cases, and there could be multiple headings too, or if we talk about more than that, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, there can be multiple headings like this, but remember that there must be only one heading in a web page. Now same like that, we have got another called as paragraph. So there is a paragraph tag also, so we'll talk about that. So this is a paragraph which comes under heading 1. So paragraph tag is written using P letter. Right? This will indicate that this is a paragraph and the website will understand it as a paragraph. So remember like that. So in summary, we can tell that heading are those kind of text which will help to organize our content, which will help to divide our content into different section, while paragraph help us to write a better and clear content for us. So practice using this six heading and write down some paragraph by yourself, and then we can explore more tag to make your website even look better than this. Thank you all of you.